If I had to use ChatGPT to build a KDP business today, I would not use it for every type of book. I'd only use it for the books where AI actually gives me an advantage, because that's the mistake I see a lot of people making right now. They open ChatGPT, ask it to make a book, copy whatever it gives them, and assume that's enough. It's not. After publishing thousands of books and watching KDP change over the years, I've learned that the best tools are the ones that save you time without lowering the quality of the final product. And ChatGPT can be extremely useful for that, but only in the right niches. So for this video, I went through the types of books that I would personally trust ChatGPT to help me create today, and then I narrowed it down to the ones I think that make the most sense. So if I were starting over and ChatGPT was the only tool at my disposal, these are the books that I would focus on. Let's get into the first one. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first book is going to be called the Bible Verse Coloring Book for Kids. Now, the reason I would focus on this one and basically all of the book types in this list is because it's not going to be overly competitive. And when you're working with ChatGPT, you're working with AI, you want to play in niches that aren't going to be super competitive. So this is one of those. Total results 964, and 26 out of the 48 on the front page are going to be KDP books. We see Titans Quick View gives it a niche score of 75, so that's pretty high. Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 5, and opportunity here is a 9. Now right away, I see this book right here, independently published, which means it's a KDP book. Estimated royalties anywhere from $300 to over $500 per month. So this is already an example of a book doing quite well in this niche. Going down, here's another book, couple $100 per month. Here's one right here, $400 to over $600 per month. This one is targeted towards boys. I've seen books targeted towards girls. So there's a couple different ways that you can go about this. Here's another one right here, $700 to over $1,000 per month. So right away, you can see plenty of demand in this niche. Here's another one, $300 to $500 per month. This one targeted towards girls, $700 to over $1,100 per month. Also, this one right here, closing in on $1,000 per month. Now, if we take a look at the interior of the book, typically you're going to have a nice cover. The cover is really what's going to sell the book. This one has 42 coloring pages. So here's the book belongs to page, a couple of elements here to be colored in, nothing too fancy, a color test page, and then you get to your first coloring page in this book. And it's really just a scene of whatever the Bible verse is. So here's the Bible verse on the bottom. And I would say the most important thing with this niche is to get the correct, accurate Bible verse, as well as an illustration that depicts the Bible verse correctly and respectfully. Here is another illustration here, another page. Here is the Bible verse, and so on and so forth. As you can see, very, very simple concept, not too difficult because you have the Bible at your disposal. You can go ahead and just pick and choose stories from the Bible. You can do research on which stories are the most popular ones to read to kids, and then grab verses from those sections. Now, here are some prompts that I used that really turned out well. You can see here is the Bible verse, here is the illustration, and a couple examples here. Now, I have gone into depth with this niche before, and these specific prompts I did not actually write myself, but these do serve as a great starting point. Now, if you want to go ahead and check out this prompt list for yourself, I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. Now, the next niche is the monochrome coloring book. Now, this is a niche that I've been mentioning very frequently in my videos, and for good reason. And that's because a lot of these books are selling very well. There is a lot of demand for this niche right now, and there's a lot of different ways that you can go about this niche, a lot of sub niches, a lot of different angles, lots of different things here. Now, we see a niche score here, 73. That's very, very high. Total results, 1,400. Not too competitive, but if you notice the average bestsellers rank, 158,000. That's on the first page. So these books have a lot of demand. People are buying them. And you can even see there is potential for a bestseller. So as you go down here, Cozy Autumn Monochrome Coloring Book. This is a great seasonal niche to get into right now. This one right here, a Gothic and Botanical Monochrome Coloring Book, $1,600 to over $2,500 per month. a monochrome botanicals, $1,200 to over $1,800 per month. Even a swear word monochrome coloring book, $900 to over $1,400 per month. You can create dozens of monochrome coloring books, all in different sub niches, and actually do quite well. Here's one, an animals monochrome coloring book, $1,000 per month. A creepy kawaii monochrome coloring book, a couple $100s per month. Now, a great niche to get into right now would probably be this one, a Halloween coloring book, great seasonal niche. And if we actually look at the interior, you can see it's basically an outline of the illustration. And then there are dots or X's or markings that the customer will color in with just a black pen, a black marker, leaving the rest white. And then it will actually turn out into a very nice illustration here. You can see here's another one. And ChatGPT does actually create these very, very well. I've gone in depth with this niche in my previous videos. So if you want to go ahead and watch that on my channel, I'll also leave a link to the prompt list that I use specifically for these books in the description down below if you're interested. Now, the next niche is the capybara coloring book. You see total results 380, so not competitive here. So this is going to be a great niche to get into to get some initial sales, and definitely has the potential to become a bestseller because a lot of people that buy these capybara coloring books, they're also buying axolotl coloring books, shark coloring books, animal coloring books. So we see this one right here, a couple $100s per month, a bold and easy type of coloring book. Another one right here, $100 per month. This one a little bit better, $300 to almost $500 per month. And then another one right here, $100 per month. So some steady sales here. Nothing too crazy right now, but definitely has potential to do very, very well into the future, especially once you start researching the axolotl coloring book niche. Well, a lot of the times these two are paired together. So for me personally, I wouldn't be surprised if the capybara coloring book were to be super successful in the future. This one, $800 per month, $400 per month, a couple $100s per month. Now, taking a look at the interior here, this one you can see just a bunch of samples here of what's actually inside. So the book belongs to page. Here is the first page, a very simple illustration. But what's unique about this book is the capybara and what it's doing. So this one playing soccer. Here's a fun fact. This one on top of the moon. Here's a fun fact. Another one right here playing chess. Fun fact. So very, very fun, very cute illustrations. And definitely a reason why this book is one of the top sellers in this niche. But this is very simple for ChatGPT to create. Now, if you want me to go in depth in this niche, create some illustrations with ChatGPT, let me know down below. Now, the next niche is called the hidden object coloring book. The total results here, 760, so not too competitive here. We have a decent niche score at 58. Demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now going through here, there's even one here, an axolotl search and find activity book. So this is going to be a great cross niche to get into. This one already starting to sell. Here's another one right here, $300 to almost $600 per month. Hidden objects, funny animals. And then this one right here is making estimated $1,600 to over $2,500 per month. So if you actually take a look at this one right here, you're going to notice that there are two images. Basically, this top image is what it starts out with. And as the customer finds the objects, they color it in and they cross it out from the list. So this is what it actually looks like. Now this one is sideways, but you can see the items right here. They're all inside this image. And once the customer finds it, they just color it in. Now the next niche is called the Spot the Difference book for kids. We can see total results 941, so not too competitive here. Has a very good average bestsellers rank on the first page of 344,000. And we see independently published books, 13 KDP books here, showing a 5 for the demand, opportunity a 9, and the niche score a 72. Now you're going to see big publishers in this space, which just means that there's actually a lot of demand for these types of books. But you're also going to see some KDP books here actually doing quite well when competing against these bigger publishers. Here's one right here, $400 to over $600 per month. Also, these seasonal editions are going to start selling. This one has already started to sell. And as the season gets closer, will start to sell even more. Here's another KDP book, $200 to over $300 per month. This book is actually simple. It's 2 images. There's differences between one image to the other one. And for example, this one, 10 differences. And I already see a couple here. For example, this is missing the knob right here, as well as the lamp is a different color. But basically, the customer would just circle the differences. Pretty simple. Here's another example here, some more examples right here. Now, I have gone through this niche in depth in previous videos. If you want me to do it again, let me know in the comments down below. You can see one of the results here that I did with ChatGPT. Here's the prompt if you want to go ahead and take a look at this. But here are the 2 images right here. And there are some subtle differences here. For example, you can see this window here is red. Also, the house in the back is a different color. Also, the top here is a different color on this train. And even as small of a detail as a snowflake right here, missing. So this is definitely something that ChatGPT can create. So those are the types of KDP books that I would personally focus on if ChatGPT was the main AI tool that I had to work with. If you want help getting started, I'll leave the prompts that I mentioned throughout this video linked in the description below. And if you want a complete step-by-step guide to the Amazon KDP process, make sure to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It'll walk you through everything from niche research and book creation to publishing on Amazon. I'll also leave that linked in the description as well. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.